Introducing Keyboard Kritters, a book bundle that teaches pre-keyboarding and keyboarding skills. Finally, an age-appropriate way to introduce keyboarding skills. Written by Bobby Callis, an elementary school technology teacher. Using research-based memory techniques, she developed a way to make learning the layout of the keyboard simple and fun. Keyboard Kritters uses the characters and sequence of a story, plus color coding, infographics, and categorization so that even young children can remember where each key is located on the keyboard. Let's meet Aunt Alligator. She lives in the first house on Keyboard Street. Upstairs, she has made a quilt for Q. In the middle, or home row, we see Aunt Alligator, and downstairs in her kitchen, you'll find her freshly baked zucchini bread. Next door, we meet Sammy the Snake. He has his wagon upstairs to carry the extra crunchy chips he's taking to Lili Lion's housewarming party. The upstairs is the gifts each critter brings to the party. The home row is where you'll find the critters, and the bottom row is for the food they bring to the party. Each house is color-coded to match the finger that is responsible for those keys. Students enjoy putting the items where they belong. Once children know what the letters are, it's time to start building the muscle memory. After completing the 8-week program, students as young as first grade can fill in all the letters on a blank keyboard. Each house is color-coded to match the finger that is responsible for those keys. Keyboard Kritters is geared to students 4 and older. We introduce pre-keyboarding skills such as layout, proper finger position, home row, basic function keys, mouse skills, and yes, even handwriting. Why not practice tracing your letters on one of our mini keyboarding templates? But Keyboard Kritters doesn't stop there. It also practices letter recognition, phonics, math, sight words, spelling, reading, and so much more. Keyboard Kritters uses the keyboard to reinforce these primary skills. For children 8 and older, it will review the keyboarding layout and finger position and go deeper into function keys and computer literacy. Keyboard Kritters also works well with students with special needs, helping children to communicate or challenging gifted children to learn a new skill. While Keyboard is not a typing program that monitors words per minute, we do give links to many classroom-tested free programs and games that do. Remember, no typing program will be effective without a strong grasp of the keyboard layout and adult supervision. The computer cannot tell if students are using the correct fingers. Kritters other typing programs, Keyboard Kritters is not a subscription. You pay once and can use it year after year, class after class. Keyboard Kritters is more than just a book. It also has online games and printables. The complete classroom or homeschool kit is just $34.95. Just look what you get: coloring sheets, over 50 online games, the hardback book, lesson plans for pre-K through 6th grade, printable bingo games, and a 2-foot by 3-foot double-sided poster. Who should buy this amazing book bundle? Teachers, preschools, homeschool parents, and after-school programs. Again, look at all you get for just $34.95. A hardback book, a digital book, over 50 online games, hundreds of printable worksheets and games, pre-K through 6th grade lesson plans, plus a 2-foot by 3-foot double-sided color reference poster. This kit makes educators and kids excited to learn the keyboard. Look at some of the games. Order yours today.